Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to day trade on Oanda. Day trading involves buying and selling financial instruments within a single trading day. And Oanda is a popular online trading platform that allows you to trade a variety of assets, including currencies, commodities, and indices. To get started, you need to open an account with Oanda and download their trading platform, known as FX Trade. Once you have installed the platform, you can log in and start exploring the various features and tools available. The first step in day trading on Oanda is to choose the asset you want to trade. Oanda offers a wide range of assets, including major and minor currency pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, and indices such as the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. You can browse through the available assets and select the one that you are interested in trading. Once you have chosen your asset, you need to set your trading parameters, including the amount you want to trade and the leverage you want to use. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases your risk. You should use leverage carefully and make sure you understand the risks involved. Next, you need to analyze the market and make a trading decision. Oanda provides a range of technical and fundamental analysis tools, including charts, indicators, and news feeds. You can use these tools to analyze the market and identify potential trading opportunities. When you are ready to place a trade, you can use the order ticket to enter your trade details. You can choose from a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Market orders are executed immediately at the current market price, while limit orders are executed at a specific price level. Stop orders are used to limit your losses or lock in your profits. Risk management is a critical aspect of day trading, and Oanda provides a range of tools to help you manage your risk. You can set stop-loss orders to limit your losses, and you can also use position sizing to manage your exposure. Position sizing involves adjusting the size of your trade based on your risk tolerance and the volatility of the market. Finally, you need to monitor your trade and adjust your strategy as needed. Oanda provides real-time market data and trading signals, and you can use these tools to stay up to date with market developments. You should also keep an eye on your trade and adjust your stop-loss orders or take profits as needed. In conclusion, day trading on Oanda requires a combination of technical analysis, risk management, and trading discipline. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on the Oanda platform, you can develop a successful day trading strategy and achieve your trading goals. Remember to always use caution and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.